and do so in the Queen's English.
Bounty Hunters, brand new to Sky One.
Who wants tea?
Oof, go on then.
This programme is brought to you by Screwfix, proud partner of the EFL and Sky Sports Football.
Sports news crew, it's clearly a very hostile situation there. We're just hearing that an unnamed player and a police officer have both been stabbed, and many fans have actually seriously injured others and in one case killed them. Police are concerned considering that there are children attending the match, and any away fans may be harder to identify than home fans. Speaking to me now is pundit and former Liverpool defender Jamie Carragher. Jamie, of course, you played in an era where hooligan culture was rife. Does this seem worse than that, or is it on the same level?